So what I have done is I have given Rahul's plan sheet for loan defaulters in the credit risk. Now I am asking ChatGPT. This is a design the ML developer felt and designed the model. Now I need you to track the design defects in them and write them. Also suggest to the QA test team to identify those defects with a right test cases. I'm giving script to you, a prompt to you, Ravi. You need to execute it. I'm copying in WhatsApp. Parallelly, you execute. Don't wait. Okay. You have to do the same work. I'm doing your work here. Okay. Did you execute? ChatGPT में
Okay, sir. I
supply.
will.
Parallelly, you keep doing it. You should get the same result from ChatGPT.
Sir, I don't have loan default Excel, sir.
राहुल सप्लाई किया ना उस दिन
Okay, okay, sir. वास निकल गया, ठीक है सर.
वो वही प्लान डॉक्यूमेंट he has given the build along with build he has given these files. So ambiguity in problem definition in sheet 1 the problem definition objectives are not clearly quantified or defined in measurable business terms. This can lead to a model that solves wrong problems or sets the wrong performance benchmark. Okay, missing data specifications. So no data schema or detailed feature definition is included. Sheet 2 vaguely listed like CSV APIs. Okay, this is about documentation defects it is giving. Data ingestion. Pipelines might break or behave unpredictably. Over reliance over-reliance on synthetic data. Mentions synthetic data due to privacy, but doesn't specify how realistic it is, how it is validated. Model trained on unrealistic data may fail in production. Yes, this is a major defect actually. Okay, design defect. Lack of target variable definition. Rahul, you are understanding all these things. You can also execute and see in your system, in your laptop.
Okay. Okay.
See, take it positively what ChatGPT thinks it. Because in live, the testers are going to use ChatGPT to get some clues with your documentation, basically. The same way, Ravi need to work. Okay. Then no data imbalance strategy. Model may bias towards majority class. Okay, missing metrics for success. Model could be deemed successful by inaccurate standards. As you had asked questions, Ravi need to ask what are these standards. Explain each step separately. Okay, in detailed way. Now suggested QA testing these test cases. Validate if the problem statement is mapped to measurable KPIs. So first, Ravi need to understand what are the KPIs. Oh, you need to ask ChatGPT what are these things. Expected result problem clearly maps to metrics like default rate reduction. So what is that you need to identify? Okay, check data schema, field names, all these things. So what you need to do, Rahul? You need to study this one also and identify where are the flaws, what modifications you can do it, because the right QA guys they also identify design defects in the model. If you want to do model perfect model design for business applications, they have to check the design standards also, design defects also. That's the purpose of these test cases, sir. Okay. Ravi, you got the same thing in your chat GPT?
So yes, sir, but I'm searching for the Excel, sir.
Till now you did not get Excel. Rahul supply करो थोड़ा WhatsApp में.
Found, sir, found. Sir, found, sir, found. I found.
Ravi,
Okay,
sir,
okay, okay, okay.
you also try with this document because After you
Yeah.
said you prepared document, Word document rather than Excel, detailed document. So I prefer detailed document.
You are saying this is the right document, right?
Detailed
QA,
document.
QA document. I can say QA test document.
Uh, this is a means micro level detailed steps are mentioned here. What
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do?
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Let me supply one more time. I also, you are able to see this
Yes.
prompt, right? Session.
Yes. Yes.
I also got another doc from ML developer dev. Review it and modify your suggestions to get the design defects. Okay, 1 minute. Where is this document? Okay. Okay, this is the document I gave it. Okay, I renamed it file anyhow. Now let it identify. Ravi, you have to supply this document also. Both you need
Okay,
to
sir.
give and ask. Okay. Updated design defects, ML model design implementation. Week.
And
Okay.
answer prompt.
Hmm?
Answer prompt. Give me sir prompt.
तोच ती वर्षाली आता दिला तोच.
जो दिला तो देऊ का?
हा.
नाही म्हणजे लिहिला तो का जो पहिले दिला होता तो?
First.
बरं, ना ठीक.
See, Rahul, you need to see lot of things it is giving from the document. Okay. Fixing suggestions. Okay. You see here how many it has given. But now you don't worry. It is his responsibility to showcase this kind of defects also, design defects also. Okay. But in future, you can learn all these things to fix in a professional way. This is the first model we are doing it. Okay. What
So
to validate?
Ravi can take this test area.
Yes, yes. This area design defects you need to identify. One is test execution defects and design defects. The design defects you need to prove it in this particular activity or task. These are the gaps I found it. Okay, it is not like ChatGPT defects. You can copy and paste it in the Excel sheet. Not like that. You need to show. You need to understand first. You need to show. Okay. Now I'm going to ask. Write the test cases. Defect design. These design defects. Design defects identification. Okay, you have to use this one, Ravi. Okay,
Okay.
now
And so which document need to upload?
both documents I said you supply and write the first prompt.
Okay.
I'm
Okay, sir.
copying the prompts to you in WhatsApp. Check them.
Yes.
See here, it has given Excel. Okay, now I'm downloading it. Let me download it. It is given 8 test cases. One moment. I'm formatting. Hold on. Okay, let me share this Excel sheet to screen. I'm moving cursor Excel in Excel. You are able to see, Ravi, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here it is given how to test also, test steps also. See here, weak problem traceability. Ensure that app context aligns with business goals. What are the business goals? You have to see his first demo. First demo, he has given PPT, detailed PPT. You need to compare with that. That is the business expectation. That is the benefit of this application. If that is not meeting, then you need to reject the build. Test steps. Check for business context display on home screen or help section. He is going to customize in future applications with these standards. Now you don't bother it. Just we are expressing our standards. Then expected result. Business problem and KPIs are clearly explained. What are the KPIs basically? KPIs he planned it. Key process indicators in the beginning in his demo, first demo. Go to that PPT, see that, and verify that as per your business demo, you have given this one. Now it is showing this way your application. It is not matching. Like that, you need to raise it. Data schema validation not robust. Verify if uploaded file adheres to required schema. Required schema is what schema he planned, what are the columns he planned it in the input file, output files, all those things that need to be verified. Upload files with missing or extra columns. Yes, system rejects invalid files with clear error messages. Those are appearing or not. That need to be shown on the screen. At the same time, those messages you need to log into test files also. Okay, that is the standard in applications. They make it like log files. So CSV with and without all required columns. Okay. So this is the first test. You can say you will be able to understand by comparing with other test cases also. Ravi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I
Yes.
am not giving these copies to you, I am repeating it. You have to work and get this kind of content from ChatGPT and modify yourself and plan yourself and take the data and massage the data, create multiple data sets from your hand itself and show the data sets before creating. What are the various data sets you are using in the test execution? Okay, see here all the things here it is given test cases. It means for design defects, these are the test cases. Those are the normal functionality test cases in the beginning what we discussed. Malumova, Ravi.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, right. Rahul, you have any questions?
Now this is a new text cases.
Yeah, new test cases. You use the prompts and execute yourself also. You will be
Okay.
able to catch it. Okay, but it is main Ravi's responsibility to identify different ways the test cases, strategies also. Okay, that is one area I wanted him to understand. Design defects also you can find it. But if he has gone through my coaching app course, what I suggested him 3 weeks back, by now he would have told this is the way I need to test it instead of me telling him. He has not done that exercise. Even I offered him, I'll make the rate 500. You come back. He did not bother to come back. He did not bother to learn that work. Then how can I push him to find out the good test strategies and planning also? वो सही है ना रवि? What I said.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You did not come back. You said next day you will come. You did not ping me. Is it my responsibility to learn testing standards or your responsibility? See, I
Yes,
worked
sir.
in
It's my
QA testing.
responsibility, sir.
In QA testing for 15 years. I worked in QA program manager, QA manager in Bank of America for more than 2.5 years in New York with Satyam Computers on site. I worked in Canada also for different banks as QA program manager. Okay, I worked in Tech Mahindra, VVIT delivery manager for British Telecom for some time. You see in the resume, everything I have written very clearly. I know all the standards and processes. QA. That is the reason I identified. Since you are getting scared to write technical things like others, yes, you take up this way. This route is better for you because you will be able to understand the functionality as domain person. Then you will be able to identify testing standards and testing defects identification ways. Then you will be performing testing perfectly. But if you don't bother to learn the testing course, how are you going to perform your job? How are you going to perform your demos? How are you going to talk in the demos if I ask some questions?
Yes,
If you
sir.
don't prepare now onwards.
Yes, sir. Yes.
अब देखो कभी भी देखो राहुल वो बोलेगा यस सर बोलेगा बाद में इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करता है बाद में आपको आपको बैंक वाला बिल देता है इंटरेस्ट के लिए वट एवर लोन यू हैव टेकन यू विल बी इन ट्रबल इफ यू डोंट गेट द जॉब दैट इज माई इंटेंशन ऑफ पुशिंग यू
I know, sir. I know.
अरे यार काम करने के टाइम पे नहीं करना है तो कैसे आएगा आउटपुट
हाँ सर सही बात है.
then you take that course and study daily. Earlier, you said you are busy with family issues and with office issues also. But now you said you can dedicate it. When you are dedicating also, if you are not realizing what to do, what are the tasks, even though I listed in WhatsApp, then there is a 1 year kid. That kid needs banana to open it and make pieces with crush it and put it in his mouth. Then you'll swallow it. That way I'm showing to you the way. If you are not able to swallow, what I can do? Then kid is better than you. Am I correct?
Yes sir. Yes. Yes sir.
You are agreeing? हैं? राहुल देखो क्या कर रहे हैं? You be serious, man. Okay, you spend your
Hmm.
entire CTC on this program. You have to learn cautiously. I showed multiple roles. Apart from that, new roles also I am showing to you. Whichever company selects for that different roles, you can have options selecting multiple offers because you have 3 months notice. That is a major risk in IT company to join. They'll take maximum 1 month or 2 months notice period people. But if you want to get into right organization, you need to show your skills rightly. You need to do strong demos.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
Okay, you don't think very loosely. Don't think whatever I'm saying. You are going to face that problems after 2 months or 3 months if you are not serious now. Okay,
Okay sir. Yes. Okay sir.
1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Just I want to show you one thing, Ravi and Rahul both. You're able to see my chat GPT screen.
Yes, sir.
See, I asked chat GPT some questions. Okay. Get me some of the IT work experiences building job code. You are able to see my chat GPT. I'm moving cursor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, Rahul, I
Ah,
asked
yes.
get me some of the IT work experiences building job coaches, LinkedIn profiles for IT professionals. Okay, so he got job coaches with resume experts, all these things, all not related with technical work experiences building. Then he got some other coaches. Now you see, okay, see here, what I asked again, ChatGPT, you stupid, I need their LinkedIn profiles URLs also. Okay, it has given. Then I checked it. They are not related with experiences building. Then I wrote to ChatGPT, not career coaches. They are different. Building or scaling up into IT roles is different. Yeah, now it says thank you for clarification. You are seeking professionals who specialize in coaching IT professionals to build or scale their careers into IT roles rather than general career coaches. Here are some LinkedIn profiles of individuals who focus on their reach. You see, first profile it pulled from me. Who is on top? Ravi.
You, sir. You, sir. You.
Yeah. So again, I saw this guy's profile, focusing on individuals, coaching individuals to make better decisions and build greater careers, not building experiences, showcasing experiences for profiling purpose. Then Daniel is there, helps career coaches build profitable business. He is helping like me some coaches, not building IT professionals. Works with fast growing technical companies aiming to become unicorns. It means technical companies she is going to help to scale up effectively, not with IT professionals who can gain experience and showcase their resume. So, in the entire globe, you search like this, you will get only this profile. You are getting the great opportunity here. You have to realize it, whatever I am saying to you. If you don't realize, you will be in big soup because you have 3 months notice. Your company also came to know you are planning to go outside. Then later on, there is AI implementation is going on in every company. Insurance companies also they are doing AI implementations, including Bajaj group of companies. When they implement it, they will ask the managers. There is a possibility your name can be included to fire in the next first lot or second lot or something like that. That is also another risk if you are not taking care of this course, not seriously studying. There are different ways I'm predicting, I'm telling you for betterment. You have to show progress on everything. So far, you did not learn testing course. So far, you did not work for perfect documentation or anything. These are the gaps. You need to realize it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है. Actually